We're an early stage fund based in Paris and Milan. We've been around for a little over 25 years now, and we have basically four sectors that we focus on. One is digital, one is automation, process automation, B2B process automation. One is deep tech. And the fourth one is actually ecological transition, so sustainable energy transition, circular economy, generally speaking. We have seed and Series A funds covering, and we invest across Europe, mostly France and Italy. France and Italy is about 70% of what we do. Okay. And we have also a dedicated energy transition fund in partnership with an Italian corporate utility called A2A, which is one of the leading utilities in terms of ecological transition. And so we've been doing energy investing and sustainability investing for a while now. We started in probably 15 years ago when it was called clean tech, and it was probably a bit too early. Yeah. But obviously now we see a new wave coming, and so for us it's becoming a big focus.